Hello there and welcome to Ratio and Proportion Test 2. Okay, so let's have a look at this question together. So Pat likes to have a lot of rose bushes in her garden. For every 3 red rose bushes, so let's just write down here red, for every 3 red rose bushes she plants, she also plants 1 white rose bush. So if she plants 21 red rose bushes, how many white rose bushes does she plant in total? So here we can see that from the ratio between these two, the red rose bushes, we've got 3 to 1. So which means that we are essentially dividing this number by 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So we're going to do the same thing here. So if she has 21 red rose bushes, what are we going to do? We're going to divide by a scale factor of 3. And 21 divided by 3 is going to give us 7. So 7 in this case will be our correct answer. Okay, so you're trying to work out what the proportions are, and then you find out what the scale factor could be, whether you multiply or divide this way around. And this way, we're just dividing 21 by 3, and that gives us 7 rose bushes, 7 white rose bushes as our final answer for this question. So let's just select 7. Okay, now your questions are very similar in nature, but with different examples. So do try your best, and we'll follow these up in our next class. Thank you.